What's up? Welcome to the Hodges family farm. As you can see, today we have our piggy. Your piggy wiggy. I really love this thing. It's pretty nice. Found this at a art gallery, actually. We were at an art show and we found it. So we got it from my grandma. So today we are going to be slicing some fruit. How the heck do I turn this around? Whatever. Oh, you want to say hi to some piggy wiggies? You want to say hi to some piggy wiggies? Hi, piggy. This is Mater. That's Samson, the big fat black one. The one in there you probably see is Oliver. We have a lot of pigs. I think we have like 25 pigs. And don't worry, the next video I'll be doing on Saturday, I will introduce you to all the pigs. I'm not sure what time I'm going to post it, but it's going to be Saturday. And today we're going to be slicing fruit. Got chickens everywhere. It's a bit of a mess. I need to clean. But yeah, as you can see, I've already started. Got a huge machete. Pretty big ass machete, if you ask me. Don't say anyone I said that. And we're going to be slicing oranges. Yay. I'm going to introduce you to some more piggy wiggies. So, this camera's going to be a bit hard to set up. Oh well, I can deal with it. Shoot, drop some. Sorry, my bad. Dropped an orange. So, as you can see, it's going to take me a couple minutes to get everything set up. I've got my igloo ice cube. So, I got chicken crap everywhere. We got chickens. As you can see, I got a little lineup. This is my 4th YouTube video. I'm hoping I can get like 10 likes, cause 10 likes for the country boy. Alright? And heck, it'd be nice if I got 30. That'd be like amazing. I'd probably do a thank you video. Alright, so where am I gonna set this? As you can see, we have our 4 oranges. Hang on. Come on. There we go. Alright, as you can see, we have 4 oranges we're going to slice first. And yeah, send me those ideas for like what you want me to slice next. What type of fruit you want me to slice next. Alright? I'll do everything. And if you send me your YouTube and I'll give you a shout out. Ready? Machete versus 3 oranges. I'll get the 4th one. Alright, 4th orange coming by. Alright, it's going to be hard not to chop any cards. Ready? I'm going to do this one first. 1, 2, 3. I did more damage to the ground than the orange. Ready for this one? 1, 2, 3. Second one. 2 down, 2 to go. 1. One-handed. Right hand. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You ready for the left hand? Last one, left hand. 1, 2, 3. Ah, burnt! I missed. No. Alright, let's try that again. Dang it. Sorry, truck. 1, 2, 3. Ah, yes. Oh, shoot. Orange juice in my eyes. Alright, I got even more orange juice. See this big machete? This is what I sliced them with. God, that thing is hurting. But yeah, like I said, I'll do a video Saturday. I'm going to introduce you to a couple more piggy wiggies. Nice hat, isn't it? I love this hook. Hook man is my favorite. Piggy wiggy 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 wiggy. Shoo! Esmeralda. Ow. Nail on my foot. That hurt. Sorry about that. I can break up my crazy wrist around her. Alright, you ready? Newest addition to the family. Esmeralda. I'm gonna unveil her. I just gotta get this gate closed. Ezzy. Oh, hello. This is Ezzy. Say hi, Ezzy. And this is, I think this one's Pigdini or Pignelope. I don't know. Not too friendly. Yeah, she's had a tough life. Alright, alright. Now, I'm gonna go get some more oranges set up. Alright, it's gonna be pretty fun. The more oranges, the more oranges, the more citrus. That made no sense. Failed number one. Another chicken. I believe that's a silky. It's a silky. It's not the best silky we have out here because, hey, you want to see a turkey? Here you go. You probably see it over there. I'll get closer. See, we have turkeys. We got 2 turkeys. I forgot what their names were. Oh, and that little hen right there, that's Biggie Boy. Where's this female? Uh-oh, he's coming to get me. Yeah, I'll do a video where he chases me around. That'll probably be my 6th video. And believe me, I have Instagram. And my Instagram will be down below in the comment section. Down below, I'll post my Instagram. And I also have Snapchat. I don't get on Snapchat or Instagram too much. But yeah. Huh. Who the bleep is here? Yo!